Good morning, students. Today we will start function and its type, exercise 1.2. Let x and y be two non-empty sets. Then a function or a mapping f from x to y is written as f x to y या x into y is a rule by which each element x related to x is associated to a unique element y related to y. Then f is a mapping or f is a function from x to y. The types of function in 11th standard, this is just recapitulation of 11th class. Types of function, you did the identity function, constant function, polynomial function, modulus function, sigmum function, greatest integer function. These all are the types of function which we have done in class 11th. Now for class 12th, the first definition, the first type of function is 1 function. Now what is 1? As its name it is suggested 1 function, or it is called injective या injection. A function f from x to y is said to be a 1 function if different element of x have different images in y. हर एक x की जो इमेज है वो y में डिफरेंट होगी 1-to-1 कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस. That is, no two different element of x have same image in y. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि x और y, a और b दो लिया, दोनों की इमेज 1 होगी. If you see, a has image 1 under f, b has image 4, c has image 3, d has image 2. So no two different element of x have the same image in y. हर एक की अलग अलग इमेज 1-to-1 function injection. Now for theory part, if x is mapping a function from x to y is 1 or injective, then if we take x1 x2 two element from x, then f of x1 is equal to, if f of x2, then x1 must be equal to x2. This we will do in the questions. Otherwise it is many-one. Now what is many-one? If you see, there are two element in x, b and d, which is having the same image 2 in y. So this is called many-one, means b and d both are different but they have the same image 2. F of b and f of d is both equal to 2, so it is many-one function. Then the definition 6 is onto function. A function f x to y is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. यानी कि जो रेंज ऑफ f है वो आपका सेट पूरा y है. y, every element of y is the image of some element of x. y में कोई भी जो एलिमेंट है वो खाली नहीं है, रिलेटेड है. every element of y is the image of, if you see, a has image 1, b has 2, c has 3, d has 3. So all the element of y, they are the images of some element in x. So then it is said to be onto function. So basically we will say the range of y, the range of the function will be the set y. Now definition 7 in NCERT is 1 onto function or bijective. A function which is 1 as well as onto is said to be bijective. For example, if it is set as ABCD, it has 1-to-1 correspondence also, and secondly 1-to-1 correspondence also, and secondly every element in y, every element of y has the image of sum of every element of x. So therefore it is 1 1 on 2 and it is bijective. Let me do the exercise to clear the questions, to clear the concept of this 1 1 on 2. The first question is, show that function f from R to R where fx is 1 by x is 1 1 and on 2, where R is non-zero real number. R is a set of non-zero real number. Let me see the solution. Fx is given 1 upon x. So I will take x and y. So suppose fx is equal to f of y. F of x means 1 by x, f of y means 1 by y. So x is equal to y. हमने लिया था एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एफ वाई, प्रूव कर दिया एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई. सो एफ इज 1 1. Then the second, now R is the set of all non-zero real number. तो कोई भी अगर y R में है, so x can be written as 1 upon y, ये भी R में है. So what is f of x? 1 upon y means y. So f of x is equal to y. So f of x is equal to y implies that f is on 2. So f is 1 1 and on 2. Now the second part is it true? Second part is it true if the domain of R is replaced by n? Now the function, suppose that function becomes g and g of x will be 1 upon x and g is from n to R. Now gx is equal to gy. If we calculate 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon y, x is equal to y. Gx is equal to gy and x is equal to y implies g is 1 1. Now for on to, if I will take 1.5 belongs to R, there exists not any x in n, so g of x will be 1 upon 1.5. Hence the function is 1 1 but not on to. मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि अगर 1.5 जो है वो R में है तो 1.5 जो है दैट इज़ नॉट रैशनल, सॉरी दैट इज़ नॉट नेचुरल नंबर. सो 1/1/5 जो है वो gx जो है वो दैट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू y. So therefore it is not on to. Basically 1.5 is not in natural number, yet it is real. So therefore function is 1 1 but not on to. The next question is, show that the sigmum function f given by real to real is defined by, definition of sigma function is, if it is 1, f is x is greater than 0, it is 0, fx is 0, if x is 0, it is minus 1 when x is negative, it is neither 1 1 nor on to. Now see the solution. सिग्मा फंक्शन जो है वो ना तो 1 1 है ना on to है. Now range of function is -1, 0 and +1. Codomain is all real numbers. So range is a subset of codomain. There exists one element in R which is not the image of any of other element in its domain. So if I will take suppose 2, for clear this concept, let me take example. For example, let 2 belongs to R. It is clear that 2 is real. So there is no x in domain such that fx is equal to 2, क्योंकि fx की जो वैल्यू है वो +1 -1, अगर 2 लिया मीन्स x जो है वो हमने 2 ले लिया मीन्स पॉजिटिव लिया, तब भी आंसर 1 ही आना. f of x जो है सच दैट x की कोई भी f of, if I will take 2 as a real number, then f of x is equal to 2, so it is not on to. क्योंकि वैल्यूज़ जो आनी है वो +1, 0 और -1 ही आनी है. Let for 1 1, to prove it as for 1 1, let x1 is 2, x2 is 3. अब f of x1 यानी कि f of 2 भी निकाले, 2 मीन्स ग्रेटर देन 0, 1 आएगी. 3 लिया, 3 मीन्स x ग्रेटर देन 0, वो भी 1 ही आएगी। हमने लिया था x1 और x2 दोनों बराबर नहीं थे, लेकिन f ऑफ x1 और f ऑफ x2 बराबर आ गए, दोनों 1 1 आ गए। होना क्या चाहिए कि x1 x2 अगर इक्वल नहीं है तो f ऑफ x1 और f ऑफ x2 भी इक्वल नहीं होने चाहिए। सो देयरफॉर इट इज़ नॉट 1 1। सो सिग्मम फंक्शन इज नाइदर 1 1 नॉर onto. Let question number 6 is let a is 1 2 3, b is 4 5 6 7 and function is 1 4 2 5 3 6. कहता है is a function from a to b and show that it is 1 1. To prove it as 1 1, see the solution. To prove it as 1 1, f is 1 2 3 से 4 5 6 7 की तरफ है. f is a function from a to b. Now f is given 1 4 2 5 3 6. Now what is f of 1? f of 1 is 4, f of 2 is 5, f of 3 is 6. तो मैं कोई भी अगर दो x1 x2 लेता हूँ, 1 2 ले लिए, तो f of x1 और f of x2 भी जो है वो डिफरेंट है। मीन्स अगर x1 x2 इक्वल नहीं है तो f of x1 और f of x2 भी इक्वल नहीं है। सो देयरफॉर फंक्शन इज 1 1. Then question number 9 is quite important and asked many times in the exam. You are given a function from natural to natural defined as fx is n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. Now fx is prove करना है is bijective and justify. Solution: fx is n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So let we take natural है तो let we take first f of 1. It is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. 2 लिया तो 2 इवन में होगा 2 by 2. इवन के लिए फंक्शन क्या है n by 2, 2 by 2 1 हो गया. मैंने क्या लिया f of 1 और f of 2 बराबर आ गए, लेकिन 1 और 2 जो है वो बराबर नहीं थे. मीन्स x1 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू x2 बट f of x1 इज इक्वल टू f of x2. सो इट मीन्स फंक्शन इज़ नॉट 1 1. होना क्या चाहिए, अगर x1 x2 इक्वल है तो f of x1 f of x2 इक्वल आना चाहिए. अगर x1 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू x2 देन x1 f of x1 इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू f of x2. So therefore function is not 1 1. In this case x1 x2 are not equal but f of x1 f of x2 are equal. Now the next part is onto. Now we consider a natural number n in the codomain. If n is odd है तो उसको मान लिया that it is 2m plus 1 टाइप का है, where m is some natural number. तो 2m plus 1 है तो there must exist 4m plus 1 also odd number such that f of 4m plus 1 क्या होगा, 4m plus 1 ये फॉर्मूला में पुट कर दिया, क्या है x plus 1 by 2, तो 4m plus 1 by 2 it is 2m plus 1. Now if n is even है तो suppose even है तो it will be in the form of n is equal to 2m for some m is equal to m belongs to n. So there exist 2m है तो 4m भी होगा नेचुरल नंबर में, such then f of 4m will be 4m by 2 2m. Now f is onto in both the cases as when it was odd as well as when it was even. Hence f is onto, f is not 1 1. So therefore it is not bijective. Then the last question is, this is again important question. Let a is equal to all real except 3, b is equal to all real except 1. Consider the function f a to be defined as fx is x minus 2 by x minus 3. We have to prove is f is 1 1 onto. Let me check, see the solution. Now a is equal to r minus 3, b is equal to r minus at 1. So f of x is given x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now for 1 1 x1 x2 मान लो belongs to a करते हैं, then we have to show that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Substitute the values x1 and then with x2. Calculate this. After calculation x1 is equal to x2. हमने क्या किया, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 किया और x1 और x2 इक्वल आ गई, सो देयरफॉर f is 1 1. For on to let any y belongs to b, then there exists x in a such that y is equal to, suppose कि f of x, so y is equal to f of x means x minus 2 by x minus 3. Then we write x in the form of y. y जो है वो x की फॉर्म में, इसकी कैलकुलेशन करके x को इस फॉर्म में लिखा तो चेक किया ये वही फॉर्म आ गई 3y minus 2 y minus 1, which the function was given. Function was given as x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 2 by x minus 3, and it will be 3y minus 2 over y minus 1, which again belongs to a. So f is on to. Thank you.